Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Reddit display name. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Your display name will be shown on your profile page while all your posts, comments, and replies will still bear your existing username. Unlike the username, you can change your display name at any time from an Android, iOS device as well as on PC. So in here in this video, we'll show you how to change your display name on Reddit on PC. So you can open your Reddit website and log in into your account. So here's my account. Now you can go to settings by clicking on your profile in here. You can check your profile, view profile. Here's my display name and I want to change it. How to do it? It's very simple. You can go to settings, click on settings, choose on profile. So here's display name. Changing your display name won't change your username. So after you finish, set your new display name. You can just click on save. So here's your new display name. You can check on your profile. We'll view my profile again. Here you go. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your display name on Reddit. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.